Hi everyone, this is Qingwei. Today I'd like to demonstrate the small square canvas painting. Okay, so I'm going to try the alcohol ink, also some acrylic as the background because I videotaping outside, so you will hear some noise. But I just love to be in the nature and outdoor, get some inspiration. So this is my front yard. Yeah, so I recently just painted this one, and then I did this before. So this is the biggest square painting I did. Okay, I think the neighbor's dog is really excited too. Okay, let's go. So let's get started. I already prepared the things I need to use on this painting. So the first step demo, I'm going to paint the background, and then you can also check out my description about the stuff I use, including the art material and the tools I use. Okay, so let's get started. I picked the crimson alcohol ink, so I'm going to just demonstrate on this small canvas. You can just simply apply some alcohol ink there. And then I like to use this tool, air blower. So just kind of basically just create some background painting. And then I love spontaneous type of art, so I just let the alcohol ink do its own artwork. Okay. And don't need to worry about it has to appear certain pattern. Just play and enjoy the nature. I just love the background of the bird. Okay, somehow this. Okay, so I spray some 91 alcohol. You can see. Let's just, and you can use like a Q-tip to manipulate a little bit, like this way. Okay. For the flower painting, I suggest kind of just go like think about it as a circle, and then also the square. I love math, so it's more like the square, and inside there's a circle, so you can form this kind of image just by simply apply this technique. Okay, so next I'm going to try to just use the air blower. Okay, something like that. And then, okay, so I like to work on the second step on this painting. So as you can see, I already done the first background painting with alcohol ink, and I want to show you, it come out really nice, even though it doesn't need to be in a very unified certain form, but I can see there's petal shape. Okay, so I'm going to create the second layer painting now by using the acrylic ink. Okay, so I have two color choices here. One is white, one is gold. Okay.